Guys, so si Kim siya. Yan si Kim.
Last 3 minutes.
Ready. Wow. Again, audience, please put your cell phones inside your pockets and your bag under your chin. Thank you. You can use the light sticks. Audience, very important ang ating opening na make sure malakas ang sigawan po natin. Ready? Ready? Cousin!
Hi mga nanay, gusto mo kayo?
We have Edward Barnes!
Hello po.
Sir Augie!
Last 4 minutes. Everyone, stand
Hello,
up.
problema. Guys, napanood niyo po yung Toy Story.
Yeah!
Hinarap kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Sir Martin Yamera!
Ako si Woody.
Howdy.
Howdy!
You're Woody?
I'm Woody.
I'm Wood not. Woody?
You're wooden.
Oh my god, right through it.
I'm Woody, you're wood
I'm
not,
Wood not.
and you're wooden.
Woody.
Wooden.
Woody.
Woody.
Audience, yung mga nandito sa harapan, tayo. Yan. Sasayaw po kayo ha, makikisayaw po kayo sa amin.
Ay, tama ka. Bakit po?
Uy, mahulog ka!
Ibang segment pala yun. Tagal na. Nahulog na.
Didn't memorize.
Galing
Hi, Eileen.
Mahaba kasi bias mo eh.
May effects, bahala ka.
Kanan mo, kanan.
Headset lang. Ito po.
Kaya mo, Kim?
Yeah.
Si Oki nahulog.
No,
Spread up, kayo na. Spread up.
my
Dapat
legs
wala pa
are
ka.
too short.
I always wanted to try one of those.
You should try it. You're young, you have core
Strength. I don't know.
The moment he's Saturday, you go right off. He's not a bull rider, he's a bull.
Okay, audience, ready?
Napakainit ng panahon, di ba? Pero mas mainit ang ating samahan. You are always warmly welcome. What I heard is that sold out na kami for May 10. Pero
Sold out?
ganito lang yun, ano? If you want... Thank you.
Congratulations, Tia Gary. It's a
Gary
must,
V,
guys.
may repeat ka sa more one.
O bakit?
Ang galing mo, ha?
That whole list all comes from this show. This is the award-winning show you've all waited one so we
At ako naman, it was my pleasure na maging ninang sa kasal nila. Congrats and best wishes sa inyo. Pero alam nyo, may kumari akong ninang din na parang gusto kong mag-sorry ngayon.
Ba't kaya?
Kasi ang chismosa ko.
Nothing wrong with that.
Ngayon, kasi para...
Patingin naman ang meme.
Nagkaroon pa tuloy ng meme.
Ayun.
Saan nakita yan?
Nasa na yung...
Nung ka kasi naman nakainit nung araw na yun. Nung pag-give up na ako eh.
Oh, but regardless, those are just some of the many reasons to celebrate today. At dito naman sa ASAP natin.
Janice Rafael, James Wiley, Cielo Martinez, Joao Constancia, Chi Filomeno, Kyla Estrada.
As well as Mr. Roel Santiago, Miss Ina Raimundo, Miss Rufa Gutierrez, Miss Ava Casino, and of course, the iconic Miss Nova Villa. And of course, how can we forget Donnie Pangilinan and Bill Mariano?
Ang ganda. Alam mo, ang pinaka-priceless doon, yung pag-awit ni Tita Nova ng prize tag.
Yes!
I love it. The best. Nova. Yep. Bell and Donnie, priceless talaga ang experience ninyo sa inyong serye. Anong hindi nyo malilimutan sa Can't Buy Me Love? Which specific moment? Anong oras? Sino kasama niyo? Anong panahon?
Anong suot?
Alam mo, Dogs,
Yes.
itong cast na to.
Aww.
Totoo lang hindi masusukat yung pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa. So thank you everyone, thank you, and I love you so much.
At syempre, lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin. Wow, first time ko dito sa ASAP na may audience. Ang galing.
I love it. I'm sure there's so many more memories to come from this. Pero guys, eto na, i-invite niyo na po ang mga pamilyas natin, kapatid at ka-A to Z and everyone else na abangan ang inyong finale.
Yes, grabe bingo. The priceless finale is so close.
Kaya nga shingaling. Thank you for being my rock throughout this ride. Oh, nag-English na si Bingo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta. Yes? Sa kwento namin, Bingo at ang Bingling, maraming salamat sa lahat na nanood ng Can't Buy Me Love. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Yes, ako rin po. Gusto ko rin po magpasalamat. I wanna say thank you as well to everyone who loved Irene and Sue. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga maton dyan. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, guys.
Yes, kaya naman we invite everyone to please not miss an episode of Can't Buy Me Love.
Yes, hindi po tapos lang. May 3 araw pa, 3 episodes pa, 72 hours in advance on Netflix, 42 hours in advance on iWantTFC, and weeknights at 9:45 on Kapamilya Channels.
Napangako po namin na ito ay isang priceless finale. Tutok lang sa Can't Buy Me Love.
Alright!
Ako sigurado kami lahat, tayong lahat ay tututo sa Can't Buy Me Love. Maraming salamat.